The GVK EMRI or 108 ambulance service employees in Meghalaya have decided to go on cease work with effect from midnight today. Well, the decision comes in wake of alleged failure of the state government in fulfilling the demands of the employees. Well, Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union President Microlina Simle said that more than 250 employees have decided to go to strike. It may be mentioned that Meghalaya GVK EMRI employees are demanding hike in salary from existing rupees 8,000 and other allowances when they have to go out of the district. And well, as Simle said that GVK EMRI employees are facing hardships and rising expenses. Well, besides, the employees also want the state government to de-link them from the GVK and not to outsource the service to outside contractors. The EMRI employees rather want the government to regularize their post.
First demand, as for now, we stick only to the two demand. That is, the first one is the salary, because our salary is very small. So regarding if we compare with the price of the market now, so we are not, we cannot, it's too much, our salary is too small, so it's too low. That's why we are saying that our salary is the main, to increase our salary. And the second demand is that, this service is very essential service in our state. So we want this to disconnect us from this GVK so that we can serve the public properly, and we can give the good service to the people of the state. So we want to disconnect us from this service, and they will regularize us, and for a job security, that is our main demand as for now.
And well, the EMRI Employees Union President also said that the protest would continue for a week and even warned of extending it if the demands are not fulfilled.
Today we have come together to inform publicly that from tonight itself at around 12 o'clock, that is the midnight of the 3rd today, that means from the 4th, we are going for a strong agitation. That is, we will go for a strike. And a strike, that it will be infinitely timely given to all the government or the management. It's around 1 week for now. So might be if we need to extend that also, we will let you know about that.
And well, the EMRI employees also decried the alleged apathy of the state government in handling the affairs.
Okay, at this point of time, we together as a union under this Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union. So at this point of time, we as a union, we have come together because all these days on the 11th, we have went for the press conference informing to the public and to the management and to the government also, saying that if you don't fulfill our demands, so we can go for, we have given even to the government 2 weeks time, so that they can call us. And we have seen that there is nothing from the government side nor from the management side that they have done. So we have exceed even the time given to them now for another 1 week, but still there is nothing from their side.
It may be mentioned that the 108 employees, emergency response officers, pilots, emergency medical technicians or EMTs are the backbone of emergency services and have saved countless lives in the state.